Good morning, friends. Good morning, Sir Didi Rawan. On this occasion, we will present the result of our discussion about analysis of legislative member of election system and the election of the president in Indonesia. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. Next week. My name is Gibson Winertampu Bolon with my student and ID number 2106113021. Next is Widya Prastantri with student ID number 2106111143. Next, M. Trisakti Rajana Sution with a student ID number 02106113127. For the last is Septia Elisa Raja Guguk 2106110309. Next. First thing first is an introduction that will be explained by Iswidya Prastantri. Please, Iswidya Prastantri.
Thanks to the moderator for giving me the opportunity to explain. Okay, introduction. Indonesia is a country that addresses to a modern democracy with representative peoples, because in modern times it is impossible to carry out direct people's government. Democracy is a political system regarding procedure for involving the people in making a decision. Therefore, when people or citizens are involved in making decisions, there is democracy. In simple terms, democracy means a system of government by involving the people. It is this line with the provision of the Constitution Article 1 paragraph, namely sovereignty is in the hands of the people and implement according of the Constitution. Democracy in the life of the state in reflect in the existence and implement of election. Election are a embodiment of sovereignty held by the people. Election held in Indonesia aim to be a means of democracy. Maintain the establishment of the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia and KRI, realize national goals, elect members of the legislature, elect the president and vice president. So many materials that I convey, I return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, my sister, Iswidya Prastantri. Next is analysis of the legislative member election system that will be explained by Septia Elisa. Next week. For Septia Elisa, please explain this slide for us.
Okay, I will explain about analysis of the legislative member election system. The legislature is the deliberative body of government with the power to make laws. The legislature consists of the DPR, DPD, and MPR. The legislative election is a direct, general, free, secret, honest, and fair election system. Legislative members who are elected through election are representative of the people in the legislature. That is, members of the legislature are representative of the people who vote. They as representative must have ability or obligation to speak and act on behalf of a larger group represent, namely the people. Election to elect representative of the people are called legislative election, which are held to elect member of the People's Representative Council (DPR), Regional Representative Council (DPD), and Regional People Representative Council (DPRD). The first is DPR. Next week. The first is DPR, People Representative Council. DPR is a member of the DPR who is directly elected by the people from every political party participating in election activities. The number of DPR members to be elected is 560 people, with a minimum of 3 seats in HR and a maximum of 10 seats. The second is DPD, or Regional Representative Council. The Regional Representative Council, or DPD, is a constitutionally recognized state institution and was formed the present regional aspiration. The election of DPD members is carried out through a general election mechanism, such as the election of the president, vice president, and members of the legislature. The elected DPD members are as many as 136 people, with a division of 4 people in each province. The last is MPR, People's Consultative Assembly. MPR is state institution. The People's Consultative Assembly, or MPR, is no longer the high state institution. It is a state institution that is equal to other state institutions. The MPR consists of members of the DPR and members of DPD who are elected through general election. Oke, saya kembalikan kepada moderator.
Okay, thank you so much for my sister Elisa. Next is analysis of the presidential election system that will be explained by my brother Trisakti. Please, Trisakti.
Thank you, moderator. I will explain about analysis of the presidential election system. The President of Indonesia is the head of state as well as the head of the Indonesian government. As head of state, the President is the official symbol of the Indonesian state in the world. As head of government, the President is assisted by the Vice President and ministers in the cabinet, holding executive power to carry out day-to-day government tasks. In the past, the President and Vice President were elected by the People's Consultative Assembly with the most votes. But this system was considered less democratic, so that it was changed to direct election by the people. The direct presidential election system, in addition to encouraging people's participation to exercise political rights, is also seen as a democratic mechanism because it is more efficient, represent the will of the people. The general election system mechanism is that political parties nominate candidates for president and vice president. Then, The parties will form several coalitions to carry the presidential and vice presidential candidates. Usually, there are 3 coalitions. After that, the presidential and vice presidential candidate will conduct a public campaign to convince the public to vote for them. There will also be a debate between the presidential and vice presidential candidates. Then, one election day, every citizen aged 17 years and over or already has an KTP will get their right to vote and are entitled to choose on partner they support. Then a quick count will be held by the KPU and will be announced as soon as all the votes have been counted. Thank you.
Thank you so much for my brother Trisakti. Next slide, Widya. Next, the general election system mechanism. For the first, political parties nominate candidates for president and vice president. Then the parties will form several coalitions to carry the presidential and vice presidential candidates. After that, the presidential and vice presidential candidates will conduct a public campaign. Next slide, Win. Then there will also be a debate between the presidential and vice presidential candidates. On election day, every citizen aged 17 years old and over are already has KTP will get their right to vote and are entitled to choose one partner they support. The last one, a quick count will be held by the KPU and will be announced as soon as all the votes have been counted. Next slide, Widya. The last chapter is conclusion. The electoral system for the members of the legislature and the president is quite good and very much implements the democratic system that this country adheres to. We as good citizens must of course carry out our rights and obligations as citizens, one of which is through election. Try to choose the right leaders because they are the people we trust to lead this country, and don't abstain so that we participate in advancing this country. That's the presentation of our group. Thank you so much for all of your attention. Thank you so much for Mr. Dedi Irawan that give us this assignment. We apologize if there are errors in the pronunciation and writing of the material. Thank you so much.